A plus Y, and that is our solution. Everybody needs to cut this down because we're going to do more of this today. Today, our goal is to factor trinomials by grouping. So we're still doing grouping, but we're starting with trinomials opposed to polynomials. Okay, everybody hold up the four corners sheet you have. I need to see the four corner sheet. Hold it up. It should be up in 3, 2, 1. I got 100%. Good. This is the sheet that you're going to raise up, put them down. That when I ask you to write in something, you're going to write in one of the boxes nice and large so I can see it, so that I know what you're doing today. This is a way for me to check to make sure that you're doing it right. Everybody understand? Show me a nod of head. Good. Let's get started. We're going to get started with our first problem. I want everybody to hold up the paper stapled together, the packet stapled together. Hold it up. Show me you have it. Missing one. All right, now I have everybody. So far you have the C knocked off. The C, because everybody showed me once. So we're going to start with our brand new problem today. We're going to factor trinomials by grouping. We're going to factor trinomials by grouping. So, let's start. At the very top, we're going to write down our first problem. And our first problem is 9 squared minus 9x minus 10. 9x squared minus 9x minus 10. Okay, everybody write that down. When we're writing this down on the packet. We're writing this down on the packet. My fault. I didn't tell you. We're writing this down on the packet. So, stop. All pencils down. Eyes on me. Waiting on one. I have 100%. Thank you. All right, so here's what we're going to do. You're going to write it over A, B, C, exactly like I have it. You're going to write it over A, B, C, exactly like I have it, on the factor trinomials by grouping packet. Oreo, what are we doing?
Writing exactly how you write it, affecting trinomials by grouping packet.
Good. Everybody understand that? Give me a thumbs up real quick so we can move on. I got 100%. Good job. All right. So, here we go. This is your problem, and I want you to write it over A, B, and C, like so. Everybody go ahead and write that down, and you should be done. And hold it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost at 100%? Almost at 100%. Good. Next step. Let's go to step. It says the factors of the product of A and C. The factors of the product of A and C. That means we have to do what to get the product? We have to do what to get the product? Really quick, talk to your shoulder partner. Talk to your shoulder partner. The tallest person goes first. What do we have to do to get the product? What do we have to do to get the product? Jimmy, talk to Paul. What do we have to do to get the product? Really quick, say the word that we have to do to get the product. Go. Tallest go first. All right, shortest, share. What do we have to do to get the product? What operation do we have to do to get the product? Shortest, talk. Talk to your partner. What do you have to do to get the product? All right, all eyes on me. Waiting on one. I have all eyes on me, good. Now I need to know what you have to do in order to get the product. What do you have to do in order to get the product? So the magic stick is going to let me pick, and I pick Sam. What do you have to do to get the product?
We have to factor.
We have to factor. Incorrect.
No,
No.
no.
What mathematical operation do we have to do to get the product? Think about that. What mathematical operation do we have to do to get the product? Think about that. Right now, nobody should be talking. All eyes should be on me. You're thinking, what mathematical operation do you have to do to get the product? Really quick, let somebody share what they were thinking. And that person is Alex. Alex, what mathematical operation do we have to do to get the product? Multiply. So class, what do we have to do to get the product? I can't hear you. Class, what do we have to do to get the product?
Multiply.
Multiply. So we need to multiply A times C. A times C. Right now, everybody, multiply A times C and fill in that sentence. A times C. What do you get in that sentence? What do you get? So here's what you're going to show me. Now, everybody pull out the 4 square boxes. Go to box A. Nice and big, write your answer in box A. So I know that you know. You're going to hold it up and I'm going to shoot you down. When I shoot you down, that's when it's correct. Really big in box A. When I say go, write the answer of A times C. When I say go, all eyes need to be on me. Waiting on one.